Hello guys, let us discuss question 12 of chemistry. The question is, according to the molecular orbital theory, which of the following will not be a viable molecule? So the options that are given to us are He2 plus, H2 minus, H2 2 minus and He2 2 plus. Okay, so let us try to solve this. Now for helium, He2 plus, helium is 2, so it is plus, so it would be 3. So in 1s we can put 2, and in 1s and other it is 1 for sigma star. So the bonding order formula is, the bond order formula is equal to Nb minus Na by 2. So if molecule have 0 bond order, will not that molecule will not be a viable molecule, and we have to find which of these among is not a viable molecule. So for the helium He2 plus, it is sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s1, which is 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. For H2 hydrogen minus, it is 1s2 and 1s1 sigma star, so it is 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. For again hydrogen, but 2 minus, it is 1s2 and 1s2 star sigma star, so it is 2 minus 2 by 0. As it is 0, it means that the molecule is unstable, hence cannot exist, which means it is not viable. So now come to He2 2 plus, it is sigma 1s2, which is 2 minus 0 by 0 is equal to 1. So here only H2 2 minus is the molecule